open to all races, ages, and incomes.
Working with Simon, the architectural firm of Whittlesey and Conklin designed a new town. Construction of Lake Ann Village, its Lake Central Plaza, stores, and townhomes began in 1963. With the innovative zoning, Reston became one of the first master planned communities in the United States with residential clusters, mixed-use development, landscape conservation, ample recreational space, walking and biking trails, and public art. Reston received the American Institute of Certified Planners National Landmark Award in 2002. Congratulations, everyone! You've done it!
This time I'm talking to you. This time we're going to talk for the camera, okay? Hey, Dean. Dean, please talk. Come here. We were just having a conversation. I turned the camera on, you stopped talking. What's the problem there? Dean, hey, come on, man. Come on. It's time for you to speak. Come on, Mr. Man. Say hello. Hi, my name's Dean. Go. Okay, now let's talk about science and technology. What do you think about that? Huh? Oh, come on, man. Come on, let's talk about science and technology. Come on. Dean. Come here, Dean. Dean, come here. Science and technology time. Come on. Okay. Tell me what you think about science and technology. What do you think? Huh? Huh? Okay. What about history? What do you think about that, Dean? It's for college now, Dean. It's your college. You're the dean of instruction. Come here. Come on. I need you to talk to me about two more things, Dean. Dean, please come here, Dean. Dean, come on. Dean, we've got two more things to talk about, Dean.
I, 2020 sign said, historic Tallapoosa. I expect 100% nature. Nope. Petrol products and packaged culinary. Honesty is scary. As to myself, big belly, nose hairy. Pointy too, and ears like a fairy. I'm sorry. Did you say no dairy? Sign said 40 minimum speed. Everyone was on cruise control set to 88. Someone's brake lights popped. Everyone slowed down to 44. I'm sorry. Please excuse me. I did not know you were good like that. Selling God's children's body parts. Excuse me, baby parts. Legal, of course. And God's daughters? Kisses for your pocket. My bad. South Carolina pines and sand. Concrete skate pad, metal ramps. Sangaree cold bench piece. Sun is shining low and east. Did you see the water rise? And did you come for me? Spell check, please. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. The women I've met who charge hard about abortions, they mostly have had an abortion. The people most against an egalitarian society are the ones who have inherited a lot. The biggest bums use the law to break the law. Let me repeat that. The biggest bums use the law to break the law. My thoughts, WTF. I crumble from a broken heart. Won't let it be a tomorrow fart. Just for a while, I gotta hit restart. Seems my life is all Walmart. Never much emotional. Then that heaven, and I live my life devotional. When I fell, I sold my face. To your mama, look in the mirror. You see me. Look, kid, I'm sorry. Yes, I am your father. If all you know is clouds, perhaps it's time to go. If you go and it's all still clouds, then go inside yourself. Ask, just ask. Put on your shades and get ready. The saddest thing, me. Homeless, dirty, hungry, no sleep, no family, trying to get a job. Ha 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 ha. Smelling. Freezing cold world, shirtless. Passers-by pass by. They watch with peripheral vision. Their apathy, a festering, repetitive incision. Modern compassion, try modern collision. When you sit on a rock long enough, it becomes valuable. Then enters greed, aggression, desire. And in our case, our planet's heart is broken. Stare. Call no foul. Call no foul. Thank you to the esteemed Bob Marley. Brother Bob Marley. Today's lesson, remember all the faces, what is revealed and known to you, yet concealed. Ah, this mountain view. Ah, this mountain feel. And I must tell you one more time. Let me repeat myself. I must tell you one more time. I'm sorry. I think there's a technical glitch. I better tell you this just one more time. You better just listen. Just please listen. And remember, never ever repeat yourself one time in life, ever. Or you're going straight down to the dirty garbage heap beneath the garbage heaps. Let me just tell you real quick what I'm talking about anyways. Let me repeat it last time, okay? Great. Here we go. Thanks.
All of the flowers, all of the stars, all of the nature, it says He's there. God. And
all of creation sings His praises. We're living in the world designed for us by the Savior. In the beginning was the Word was with God, and the Word was God. That's what I'm on. That's the book of John, one of the Gospels. I'm philosophizing on life off of a bar stool. Kicking hard truth, getting green like chartreuse. On the scene with my team, man, who let the dogs loose? Jesus Martinez, over the Florida Georgia line. We sorta like a pipe bomb explosion, yeah, Columbine. It's all by design, Mike, murderer, homicide. Always down the ride, cause I know that my God is by my side. You smoking pesticides, doing drugs with iodine, iron eyes, just like Cody, homie, business privatized. Your rhymes are dramatized, you ain't really lived it. We out here, living the life that we was given, like
all of the flowers, all of the stars, all of the nature, it says He's there. God. And all of the flowers, all of the stars, all of the nature, it says He's there. God.
Yo, every thought manifests, prayer is creation, every syllable, elevation, levitation, beyond heaven's gates, in space when ancient nature. Check your watch, bet nature's boss. Hated a faker like surfboards you lost. I pray you get back on your horse. Ride the sovereign horse. Sun Tzu, art of war. Carnivore, herbivore, extracts pour out my spores. Jesus Martinez hotter than a Valdosta sauna. I used to love Rihanna. I cruise beyond the iguanas, otters, Hendersonville, Johnny Lauders. We invade the cottages with old knowledges of divine prophets. Sense sun has cosmic sense. Karma sent through an optic lens.
All of the flowers, all of the stars, all of the nature, it says He's there. God. And all of the flowers, all of the stars, all of the nature, it says He's there. God. And
All right, keep the smiles up.
That's my grandfather right there. Oh no, I'm sorry. That's your grandfather right there.
All right, well, have a blessed day, sir.
My bad. That's actually your brother. I think that's your brother right there.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on a second. That's your cousin, right? Isn't that your cousin right there?
I can't
Man,
even see that person.
I can't even see him neither, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, I can't see him neither. They seem to have left us both in the dust, huh?
Oh, hell yeah.
Sons of bitches. The fuck you
Yeah.
got on that, man?
We
Shit.
just need more bong hits for Jesus.
Bong hits for Jesus, skateboards, music, art, love, God,
And heck on alcohol.
and good food.
Oh yeah.
Much love.
You too, sir.
Jackie, that's got some